Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my sew place. I just wanted to get on here and show you guys what I bought. Yesterday I went to Savers and got some cute little fabrics. I didn't get much, but it's just a tiny microscopic mini haul. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, and I also wanted to show you guys all of my sewing patterns. I don't have that many, but I do have some and they are awesome. The first one is this one. It's this, look, it's like a chiffon. I don't know, but it's like red and black and it's really nice. And I don't know where this is from because it has like the original tag.
Roman high fashion, and it has like this on the back. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. 100% that. I don't know. And then too, it has another little etiqueta. The etiqueta, it has it right here, and it's Asian. So I'm not sure what it is, but
I really thought it was pretty, and I got it. And this fabric was at Savers for $3.99, and it's about 4 yards.
2 or 3 yards. 1, 2, 3. So it's about 3.5 yards.
For $4. Not bad. And then I got this to go with it so that I can make a bodice out of this and a zipper. And I don't know what I'm going to make out of it yet. This one is
like a cotton, and it's 1 yard. It's 2 yards.
And this one was, remember I went to Savers, $2.99, so $3 for 2 yards. This one is really pretty. It has no stretch to it. It's like a, I don't know what it is, but it was $3, and it's really pretty. $3, and it is, I think it's 3 yards or 2.
1, 2 yards. 2.
So this is 2 yards. This is 2 yards. It's pretty. It's non-stretch. It's like a, I don't know, it's pretty, you know, strong material. But it's non-stretch, but it's really pretty. And then this last one, this is 4 or 5 yards. And this is kind of what it looks like. I found it very unique. And I'm thinking of stop. And I'm not sure what to make with this yet, but it's very pretty. It's very light. It's a light cotton. And I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys like my patterns so that maybe I can get some ideas on what I can make. But yeah, this is it. It's really pretty. I like it. Maybe, I don't know what I can make. The first sewing pattern that I'm gonna show you guys is this was the first one that I printed, and it didn't work out, and I was never able to actually print the pattern. And she has a YouTube channel here, and her name is Rosy Pena, and I bought this one, but like I said, I don't have a printer. Yeah, go play. Correle. But yeah, it's this one by Rosy Pena, and it's the Laura top dress. And I found it so cute and loose and so pretty, but I was never able to print the pattern. And that was the first and last time that I bought a PDF pattern. This next one is the first private owned pattern that I bought. It's the Janelle by Style Sew Me, and I've actually made 2 of these in this version, and it came out really cute. I made them mini skirts, and I don't know, it's pretty cute, you know, I like it. I haven't made it. Maybe I'll make it with this one. Maybe I'll make a skirt out of this one. That would be cute. I don't know. The Macau's shorts, the Macau shorts. So yeah, the next one is this one, the Macau shorts. Yeah, it's this one, and I like it. I mean, it's cute. I like the little versions of it, the little heart ones and the regular plain ones, the pants, the capris. It's cute, you know. One of my favorites, the toaster sweater one. I still haven't made this version. I need to though, but I still haven't made it, and it's the Soho 7 toaster sweater. I really like that pattern. So yeah, this next one is by Evie la Luve, I don't know. And it's this underwear pattern, and I haven't made it because I've made it a couple times and the undies are still going strong.
But I haven't made these because you have to buy the lace, and the way you have to cut it, like you have to buy the lace that's only like this wide and a strip. And then to make like 5 of these, I would need like 6 yards. You know, 5 or 6 yards. And that's another like $40, and I was like, ooh.
I have to give it a go again, but I really like how this pattern came. It came in with this, like this is the only pattern that I have that came in like this, and it's really sturdy. This next one, I actually haven't made this one. Yeah, so I haven't made this one yet. It says easy new look. I haven't made the ruffles at all. I don't know, maybe I should make it without the ruffles, but I haven't made it. Maybe I should, you know, but yeah. This one, I have the Macau's leggings. This one I have also not made. I got it because it was $1 over at Joann's, and I thought it would be a good pattern to have, so that I can make some cute little leggings. But we shall see. This one I've made a ton. My last video was actually using some of these pattern pieces, and it's pretty cute. I want to make like the sports bras looking things. I actually want to make these, but we will see. We will see how it turns out. It looks really cute. I really like it. It's really cute. I really like it. The first time I made this was terrible, so I'm glad that I've stuck to making it and making it. This is the See and Sew, and I've made my daughter this one. Wait, no, this one. And she was not a fan of it. She didn't really like it. I made it in like the purple and ghost, or the purple and bats stretch knit, and she didn't really like the dress. So I'm gonna give it another go and maybe use one of the fabrics that I got. I've made this one. I have this one. I've made it, you know, and I've made this version. And my daughter really liked it at first, but after a while, she kind of got over it. She was just like, no, I don't want it. I've made this one, and I have a video that's actually pretty popular. It's one of my most popular videos, and it's a really cute outfit. It's really easy for beginners. I really like it. And then we have this one. I actually want to make my daughter this. I think maybe this one would be perfect for this, because I think I'm gonna make this one next. This one is very cute, but I don't like, my daughter just doesn't like that stuff either. I don't think she'll like the ruffle, but I know she'll like the little shorts and stuff. The next one is the Friday Pattern Company, the Sunny Dress / Top. And I like this one. I still have my white flowery dress that I made from it. It's still one of the outfits that got like the most, that I received the most compliments on. So this is still, you know, one of my favorites. And I love how this opens. I love how it's a box, and I don't know, I really like it. And then the last one, which was my most recent purchase, was of course the Joni Jumpsuit. I don't have the fabric that I want to make this again from. I am going to wait and see in January what fabrics I can make with this, because I do want to make it again. We will see what happens. We'll see the next time I make the Joni Jumpsuit. We'll see like what my plans will be for January. I am currently working on the really big orange blanket. I am working on that. It's actually going to be a weighted blanket for a very special person in my life who I want to gift for Christmas, and I hope she likes it. Other than that, well, thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for tuning in again to my videos. A huge warm welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for watching me. You know what I mean? I am very new at sewing. I'm very new at trying to teach myself how to sew. If you haven't watched my seamstress tag of how I actually got into sewing, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. It really shows why I decided to get into sewing, and I am very proud of myself for the makes that I've made. My previous video that will be linked in a card or in the description box below is actually one of like one of the best items that I've made thus far, because I completely imagined it in my head and I brought it to life. But anyways, thank you guys again. Thank you again to the new subscribers. Thank you for those who have subscribed. Thank you for those who comment, who like the video. Like, just thank you so much. Hopefully I'll have the pattern done by Friday. I'm really excited to do it now because I know my daughter will like it a lot. So I will see you guys either Friday or Saturday. But yeah, bye guys. Thank you again.